Hi there, my name's George. I'm a new teacher here in Thailand. I'm from England, just outside of London. My inspiration for becoming a teacher is because I want to lead a fulfilling life here in the land of smiles. I want to experience the culture here and also bring some of my own to this country. I really enjoy working with children. I've done lots of work with outdoor exploration and climbing and hiking and stuff with young children, especially those with special needs. I'm really looking forward to getting to know the kids here and starting my new life here teaching English. Thank you.